Good day, I'm Christel van Wyk, and in this webinar, we will look at the tax implications of retirement funds and pensions. This is in terms of the recent changes that took place on 1 September 2024 in terms of the two-pot retirement system. In this webinar, we will look at an overview and the policy intent. Then we will look at each of the components and then look at all the tax implications upon resignation, upon retirement, and also for non-residents. I look forward to engaging with you.